Have you been frustrated where your attempt to scale a small account don't show any real progress? If the test very methods still aren't seeing the growth you hoped for, this video is exactly what you need. I will show this strat that finally changed the game for me and it could shift your path as well. Today we show a good strategy to increase your money. Let's go with that. I've prepared something exclusive just for you. Stick around until the very end of the video. You'll be blown away. Guys, today we're gonna use classic Reiki Nash candles and 5 seconds on time frame, okay? And we're gonna use 3 indicators: MACD, moving average, and parabolic SAR. All right, let's start configuring the parabolic with this. 0.005 acceleration and a max acceleration 0.1. Okay, this color is up to you. Click on save. Moving average, we're gonna use 15 periods simple moving average. The color 2 on thickness, save. MACD, we're gonna use 15 on the fast period, 20 on slow period, 10 on signal periods. All right, the style, change the color. All right, 2 on thickness. And now, guys, you can repeat that settings in one click. The trade amount is $15. The expiration times is 5 minutes. I press the ready button right now and then open my first trade for sale. Yeah, guys, I have already done it as an analysis out of a random currency pair. It seemed to me a good situation to start, and now I'll explain why. As I understand it, the first thing to find is the trend change. I can see this with the help of parabolic right here. Yeah, guys, look at this. I see 5 new points, 5, 6 points. This price is starting to fall. Probably this is a correction right now. That's the green candles. The average moving line has also changed position. It's moving down. All right. Now the line is going down and this is confirming the movement. Look at that, an uptrend and downtrend. The most important detail is the MACD line, as you can see right here, right now. Okay. The crossing line, the two lines crossing at critically high point and immediately after they began to move downwards. As you can see, the line crosses once at the highest point and did not come back. So the most critical and the most dangerous point have been found, and now you're ready for the fall. I think we understand that the moment can change and the moment and growth will continue. So you need to use a long expiration time for the time for ensure the 5 minutes for that. Also, if desire, you can check the histogram. All right, you can just take a look on this. That's up to you. I see the stable ready candles, and this is also a good signal. I think now to understand how to do the analysis. So let's just wait for the results and tell you a couple secrets. Remember, this is a matter of the techniques that can transform your journey in this market. To become a professional, it's vital to master the most lucrative strategy. Remember that. But don't worry, I've prepared two exclusive piece of content that will be essential for your development. Stay with me until the end of the video and enjoy it. Let's see the results. Hey, do you want to join a group where share signals and strategies that really work? And the best part, it's completely free. Then listen up. In my free group, I share various strategies, insights, and live operations, 100% real and transparent. I will never ask you for money and won't spend anything to join, alright? Want to learn how to earn more with operations? Click the link in the description or the first pinned comment and join the group now. See you there, guys. Okay, guys, look at this. The trade is profitable. There are already $33 in my account. Look at this. It's really good start. Let's take another one. Just a few minutes later, I found a signal. I was just changing currency pair and saw a very similar situation. Everything looks the same as last time. It's staying the same, and now I tell you some rules. In order for this strategy to make profits, guys, gave me very good words. Okay, so very simple and logical. But some of you may not understand that the right entry point is almost 90%. For success, is this the best open trade when the probability has given from 7, 8 new points at the parabolic? There is not point in open trade very early or open trade when a moment is going on for 2 or 3 minutes. That should be done 20 or 30 seconds after start. The better you enter point, the better the results 20 seconds after the new trend started. Also, you needed to look for big moves. Alright? Current pairs where they cannot rise and fall for long times are best. Units do not work on consolidation or weak currencies. The bigger the waves of candle, the better for that strategy. Let's wait for that. Alright guys, my net profits is $53 in that one, and I have an amount almost $6 in the total. It's also very good. Let's move it on. I was looking for an example for a buy trade, but now almost all assets, our current periods are falling, so I open it another trade. Guys, don't forget that the time frame is 5 seconds, okay, and the time for the trade expiration time is 5 minutes. It's a big difference. So do not use the time for a trade in 1 minute. It will be very dangerous. And the meaning of the indicators is lost, okay? In general, I showed everything with a real example. I gave a couple secrets. Now you need to practice. If this trade make profits, I will sum up the results. When I make 3 or 4 good trades in a row, I usually take a break. I'm not looking for a lot of trades, but this session is going well so far, alright? So let's wait for this last result together. Hey, wait a minute. Before I see the results of this trade, how about competing for a 100 account to test the strategy I taught in the video? It's simple. Leave a positive comment and join my Telegram group through the link in the description. Let's make the most of it. Boom, and again guys, a profitable trade. I have more than $105 on my balance. Okay guys, in almost 20 minutes of operation, I increased my accounts almost $110. Look at that. It was a great session. I sure this strategy will boost your account. Don't be afraid to practice and write your opinion about this method, about the indicators in the comments. It's very interesting for me. So right now, I wish you good luck, wish you more profit, wish big profit, wish good trading strategy. And see you soon guys on my YouTube channel, my Telegram. Have a good day. Bye bye.